Lori Daybell is why Charles is dead.
Lori Daybell accused of conspiring to kill her fourth husband, Charles Vallow, with help from her now late brother, Alex Cox.
Family tragedy is not a crime.
During opening statements, Daybell telling jurors what her brother told police back in July 2019, the shooting was self-defense.
Were you able to draw any conclusions as to whether or not the evidence was consistent with Charles Vallow being laying on the ground when he was shot?
Very much so. The second shot that entered the abdomen would have been where he was lying.
Prosecutor Trina Kay working to prove this was a planned murder, calling police and firefighters to the stand.
He told me that he had changed his beneficiary to his sister, Kay.
Daybell sometimes fiery during cross-examination, especially with the woman who went on a date with Vallow the night before the shooting.
So you spent your whole date getting to know each other, talking about me.
Don't flatter yourself. No, we did not spend the whole time talking about you.
Family and friends also taking the stand, detailing conversations from nearly 6 years ago.
I recall that she spoke about her husband being possessed by an evil spirit, and she named the evil spirit. It was Ned.
All these things all added up into that moment and that morning. Once I found out on Saturday that Charles was shot and killed, no doubt in my mind that they killed him.
Daybell asking her former sister-in-law, the final witness of the week, a question that became consistent Thursday.
Did you see or hear or personally witness me conspire with Alex Cox to kill my husband, Charles Vallow?
No, but I saw a ton of evidence that did.
It's hard to watch her talk the way that she talks to other people.
Kelly Kraft with our partner at Court TV weighing in on Daybell's defense so far.
I know a lot of people think that it's kind of been a disaster so far with some of her questions, and that if she had a very experienced defense attorney that was representing her, things could go a lot differently for her. I'm not going to say that's not true. I think that is definitely accurate. But she wanted her day in court. She wanted it, her speedy trial, and so she's having it. Court will start up again Monday morning as the state calls their next witness. There will be an earlier start time of 10. In Phoenix, Ashley Holden, ABC 15, Arizona.